2021 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.